Hi, I'm JC.
Hi, I'm Rachel. Hi, I'm Izzy.
Hello, my name is Xander.
My name is Brayden.
And my name is Jacob.
My name is Orion.
And we are 7th graders at PWS Middle School.
We have a shortage of janitors and stuff.
There was no custodians and school was not getting cleaned during a lot of free time, like after school, because I don't have sports right now. So there's no night custodian, so I figured I could do this a few times a week.
Makes me feel good to help out my local school.
Because it helps a lot of people out, and especially your custodians.
It just makes me feel good about myself that I'm helping.
It makes me feel good because every day when I walk into school, I have a clean school and classroom to get into.
It feels nice to have a clean classroom when you come in the building.
I do a little bit of everything. I've done recycling, and I also did vacuuming. I mainly do classroom sweeping.
I've been doing the trash duty.
Take a walk around each wing, picking up the bags of trash that teachers leave out.
Sometimes I do classroom sweeping, sometimes I do hallway sweeping.
Go around the school, sometimes collecting recycling.
I do hallway sweeping, and it's a bit time consuming by waiting for Jacob to get all the classrooms done.
And I do classroom sweeping and I gotta go through and be very careful.
I try and get every little corner.
Next, if I'm done, I'll walk around and help other people out with their jobs. It taught me that working as a team is really important, especially when it comes to these kinds of jobs.
It's truly amazing just seeing all these people joining together to help the school.
And that makes me feel good that we're doing something to help the school. Making a difference and helping out.
And it's also taught me how hard it is to be a custodian, picking up every little thing and picking up after so many kids.
Before I never thought we have 2 custodians in our school, maybe a couple others, and I never truly thought of what they do and how great it is.
Before, I used to see some trash on the ground and I just wouldn't want to pick it up, and then now I realize that someone has to clean it up, and so I try and be careful on what's on the ground now.
Custodians deserve more respect than they have, and it's a lot more work than people might think it is.